Geoforce has a tool which is really useful to us because it allows us to see the seafloor and what's underneath the seafloor at very high resolution. So if we want to see a submarine landslide, for example, we want to look in the top 50 to 100 meters to see if the seafloor is disturbed. And this tool allows us to do that. What we like in particular about the Geoforce tools is there's a couple of modes of operation, so we can actually choose depending on the water depths we're working in. The Geoforce boomer system requires more energy the deeper the water to get reflections. This is sound traveling down and reflects off the seafloor and layers beneath the seafloor in order to image in those kind of environments. That alternative mode, the sparker mode of operation. It also has a very small environmental footprint. The way it works is that it doesn't release a lot of ambient noise. Our big reason to use it is the high resolution that it provides. So we can get some really spectacular images of what's underneath the seafloor with it. The principal challenges are related to being at sea and the weather and the temperatures. In 1929, there was a landslide off the Grand Banks. We want to look at that event as both to study it, to understand how it might have happened. Will it happen again? And if so, what are the consequences? To map that kind of an event, it happened in anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 meters of water depth. We can't easily go down at least and study the event on the seafloor. So we can use tools like the Geoforce SubBottom Profiler. Allows us to look down, usually 100 meters, depending on the sediment type at the bottom. And we can see the structures that exist there. And we can see the faults that come right to the seafloor that resulted from that slump and then landslide that happened in 1929. It's been a real partnership with Geoforce. We developed ideas with them and then either co-develop or they take it and run with it. And then we work back and forth. That's then allowed them to market that to industry as sort of a developed and tried method.